Hey, Tanya.
What's up, John?
I tell you what's up. We're going to talk about romantic spots on a cruise ship.
Stay tuned and find out what those are.
With you by my side, feels like the rain is gone. I'm holding on like the sun in the sky, like the stars in the night. When I look in your eyes, I knew it all along. You're where I belong.
So, we're going to give some ideas. We're not going to put them 1 through 10. We're just going to throw some ideas out there. What we think are romantic spots on a cruise ship. So, let's get going.
Some of these are things to do, too.
Let's get going. Sunrise or sunsets on a cruise ship?
Yes. The aft or the back of the ship, whatever you'd like to call it. Definitely a great place to see the sunset, sunrise, get some great photos, sit back in one of the chairs, in the lounge chairs with your significant other and just enjoy, watching the sunset. Some of you might be at dinner and miss the sunset. Maybe take a later dinner that evening or earlier dinner and just go watch the sunset. If you miss a sunset or sunrise on a cruise ship, you don't know what you're missing.
Right.
Some of the best sunsets and sunrises out there that you'll catch.
Or even if you don't want to go up to the ladle deck, if you have a balcony cabin, you can see it as good from your balcony cabin.
Yeah,
So,
I mean, unless you got one that's obstructed view, but yeah, we've even left our room sometimes to go see them from the back of the ship, and it's great.
most definitely.
Beautiful.
Next one. All cruise ships have nightlife. If it's silent disco or a dance room, disco room, whatever you want to call it.
Not even necessarily disco. You keep saying
Yeah.
disco. Some of them, there's a lot of
Music.
the bars will have dance floors.
Right.
And it's not necessarily disco because some people are gonna be like disco.
Nah, disco.
What? How old are you? No. Anyway,
I'm 21. How old are you?
so definitely go check out the nightlife. And if
Yeah.
you're not a dancer, sit back, have a drink with your significant other, and watch others dance. If you're a people person, like I think we are, it's fun to watch.
Yeah.
And have a drink and make it a little date night.
Or even
get up and
karaoke.
request a slow song and get up there and dance with your loved one.
Yeah. All right. So another one is stargazing.
Yes,
we never did this, but we will.
We actually did.
Yes, we did.
We actually did.
Yes, we did.
On the last ship,
Yes,
we
with
didn't
Jason
really
and
stay
Mary
there
Ann.
too long. Yes.
Yes.
So there's a lot of many clear nights on a cruise ship. Some of the best views to see the stars when it's a clear night. You just lay back in your lounger and you'll see those stars. It's beautiful.
So if you live in a big city or the suburbs, you maybe see half the stars once you get out on the ocean or
Oh my gosh,
the Caribbean
You guys,
Sea,
it's beautiful.
wherever.
Don't miss out.
Yeah.
Don't go to bed early and miss out. Take one night. If you're early to bed, take one night and just go,
Right. Another one. Enjoy a hot tub together.
Yeah, sometimes late in the evening, they're not too crowded,
Right.
believe it or not. Most people are sitting there during the day.
They don't
And
keep them
there's so many-
too hot either.
No, and there's so many hot tubs and spas or jacuzzis,
Yeah.
whatever you want to call it, around the ship. Find one that maybe there's nobody in or, and just go grab. You can take a drink in there. They
Yep.
allow you to do that.
Yep.
Take a drink up in there and enjoy some time with your partner.
Yep. Get some champagne or a little
Wine, if you like
wine.
wine,
Yeah. Or if you're, a shooter, do some shoots of
Or don't drink it all
whiskey.
if you're not a drinker and just
Right.
go enjoy it.
Do
Just go
shots
enjoy
of
it.
do shots of
But,
Pepsi, right?
because during the day they do get crowded in there. So
Yeah. So another one, what a lot of ships are doing now, you can rent out cabanas for a day on a cruise ship. So rent out a cabana.
most of those you need to book ahead of time
Yes,
because
yes,
people
yes.
are reserving them for a day, for the week.
Mm-hmm.
It's cheaper by the day, but I think that you get a discount something by the week. But it's up to you, and it's your assigned little cabana with it's got most of them have like little beds in it.
Right. Well, here's a little pro tip. If you don't want to spend extra money, Carnival, Royal, Princess, they all have adult-only areas.
Yes.
And they got these, I guess, clamshells for two.
Yeah, like
Get up there early.
like the Serenity Deck on Carnival
Yeah.
has the Serenity Deck has the area where the
Clamshells.
clamshell. I don't know. They're called clamshells.
Well, they look like clamshells.
Yeah, or the little bed areas.
Right, but
And
it's for two.
Yeah, and there's no charge. So,
Right.
maybe you can go up there.
Enjoy the day,
Yeah.
you two, and the Serenity. Just enjoy a good book, a drink. Just relax. because that's what a cruise is about relaxing.
Might be dark at night though. I don't know if you're gonna read a book unless you have a.
Well, this is during the daytime. Oh, whatever. Whatever. All right. This one. Treat yourself, in which we do, and we've done this, treat yourself to a special celebration. If it's your birthday, anniversary, whatever. When you're on a cruise, treat yourself.
Yeah, like book a specialty dining with
Right.
your partner. Maybe surprise your partner, whether it's the husband for the wife or the wife for the husband or the spouse or the girlfriend or boyfriend. Just surprise them. Go book it and don't tell them, and then just show up.
And
then that's kind of nice. Little surprises.
Here's what you can do too. You can order flowers, candy, cakes, cookies, balloons.
Chocolate covered strawberries.
Yes.
And
out
have them
to your
delivered.
cabin.
Yeah.
And you know what?
A bucket of beer for your husband, or
bucket of beer.
Maybe they don't want the strawberries.
Dos Equis work. But you don't have to get it on embarkation. You can really surprise them. Like, well, they didn't remember, and you get it on the next day, on sea day, and it'd be all delivered to your room.
They'll even do
Be nice.
roses.
Yes.
Some of them, I know Carnival, they usually, there's a lot of different things you can get delivered to the room.
Yeah.
Stuffed toys for little kids even. They have like little stuff. But this is more for romantic, so
Right.
we'll keep the kids
they
out
got
of it.
stuffed animals for adults, like a little teddy bear with a heart or something.
Yeah. Check it out.
Get some brownie points, guys. All right. So, another one. Dine on your balcony. I know Royal does
Out of
this.
that balcony. If you're paying for a balcony,
Yeah. It'll pay extra, but you can get dinner for two on your balcony, or if you go out and if you don't want to pay extra, a lot of cruise ships on the Lido deck have outside, and find a nice little corner and just
or
have
if
nice,
you want the privacy,
Yeah.
get your dinner or have room service delivered.
Yeah.
And set up the balcony and eat out there.
Yeah.
Then you can watch the sunset and eat your dinner.
Boom. Great thinking, Tanya.
And have flowers delivered. Whatever.
Yeah. Okay, here's another one. Spa for two. Why not?
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be a little bit pricey, but book yourself a day at sea, his and her spa treatment. At sea. Book it. Do it ahead of time.
Sometimes they offer specials too.
Yeah.
So,
They sure do.
especially if you're a past cruiser and you're getting deals or whatever.
Yeah. Just say, hey, I want this type of spa.
Couples massage, whatever.
Yeah, couple massage.
Do things you can do together.
Yeah, that's romantic. Why not?
I'll add one in there.
What's that?
If you guys are very physically fit and you want to go work out together, there's always the gym or whatever you call it on the ship.
Okay, we'll leave that one.
Go ride bikes next to each other, walk the treadmill.
So,
walk the ship together.
Yeah.
Walk around the ship together.
Especially on a promenade deck. The promenade deck most of the time is open to the outside where you can take a nice stroll around the boat.
Mm-hmm.
And why not? Nice
Give yourself
ocean
a little
breeze.
tour. Yeah,
nice ocean
You might
breeze.
discover things on the ship you didn't know were there.
Yeah.
Just by doing, a stroll around the ship.
Yeah.
We did. That's how we find things half the time.
Yeah.
We discover little corners that we didn't know were there.
Definitely. Take a walk on the promenade. Take a walk on the promenade side. Do.
And if your spouse is not behaving, you can always make them walk the plank.
I already did that, and that was in Bonnier.
Yeah.
So I already walked
That was
the
on a
plank.
little boat we were on.
Yep. All right. Romantic table for two. You can request the maitre d', say, hey, can we have just a table for two, the main dining room? Or if you have specialty dining, say, can we have a table for two? And they would try to accommodate
And
you.
if you ask them to do anything you need, like if you buy flowers or anything you want set at that table, they'll have that. You tell them
Yeah.
your room table number or your table number.
Yep.
They'll put things on the table for you and have it set up.
Yep.
So, if you want to surprise your spouse at dinner time or lunch or breakfast.
Because you did that once for me. It was my birthday on a cruise. And
I had a cake
Yep, a cake
delivered,
sent.
yep.
Yeah, so they'll do that. Now, couple cruise ships. If you're on Royal Caribbean, the Oasis class ship, this is really romantic. If you go through Central Park at night, that's where most
Oh,
of
it's so beautiful.
yeah, it is. Most of the specialty restaurants are out there. but they have a little like garden area.
Yeah, and they play music in the park.
Yeah.
And it's really
Yeah.
nice to just go sit there. There's a bar right there. You can grab yourself a glass of wine or whatever you drink and sit there and listen to the music and look at the lights. It's really a nice thing.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that's on Royal. Princess, the main atrium at
They always
evening
have
time.
music going, piano playing,
Soft
violins
music, yep.
going. Yeah, it's always nice soft music.
Yep. It's really, really nice. They got sofas and chairs for two, and it's just a nice area to, conjugate and
Or
just...
catch a show together. Is that on there? too?
Yeah, yep,
You can go
yep.
catch a show. If you're not into like listening to the music, see what's the shows going on. He had one too. It's like maybe I'm jumping.
Oh,
the gun.
yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know.
Carnival. Carnival.
Carnival has the
Love
and
and
Marriage.
Marriage. Yeah.
If you want some comedy together, go see comedy or go
Right.
see the Love and Marriage show. That's definitely funny.
Yeah, the
because
Love and Marriage, because you can play along.
During the Love and Marriage, him and I will play along with the
Yeah.
questions that they ask the people on stage.
Yeah.
And it's kind of fun. Get to know
Right.
your partner, even though you could have been married for years, and you really find out things, some good things.
Do. But yeah, it's all what you want to make of it. There's plenty, you think, well, on a cruise ship there's a lot of people. You're right, there is, but
Yeah.
you still can make a time for you to romantically
Yeah, there's definitely places
and
you
get
can
away. Right. So
And they offer, even like, I don't know about the other ships,
What's
but
that?
like Carnival has the movies at night.
yeah, and so does
Well,
Princess.
sometimes you have
Yep.
to go early to get if you want one of the lounger seats or the couch seats
Right.
up on the upper level.
Yeah.
But if you know a movie's playing, grab your seat a little early. Bring your dinner up there. Eat your dinner. They'll clear the table
Pay
out.
$1 for popcorn.
Well, it was more than $1. It was
Is it now?
four something for
Are
popcorn.
you serious?
They used to give it free.
Yeah,
but-
it used to be free.
Or don't get popcorn. You can
Yeah.
you can go. Our little trick is just go to the shop, buy yourself a bag of or a can of chips or something there, because stretch it out a little bit.
Stretch
but,
it out. Well,
Yeah, but the popcorn
whatever.
is good. It's very
Yeah.
good. It's fresh made, but it's just they don't give it free anymore.
Used to
but
be
yeah, you
free.
can eat your dinner there and then just stay right through a movie. So
Yeah, watch a movie, catch a show afterwards. The world is your oyster. The cruise ship is your oyster. It's your choice, right?
Exactly.
Exactly. She's like, what? All right. On that
I
note,
don't like oysters.
I'm gonna say, love you all. See you on the next video side.
And if you enjoy our content, guys, hit that subscribe button. It does help our channel grow.
Yes.
And we do appreciate it. And,
Yes. Ring the bell.
And just wanted to mention, we did talk about probably pretty soon coming up,
What?
the next month or so, we're going to do another giveaway.
Yes.
So stay
yes.
tuned for that to be coming soon. And,
I'm thinking once we get back from Margaritaville.
Yep. That's probably in the next 3 weeks. We'll be leaving for that. So
Yep.
sometime when we get back from that,
It'll be in April.
doing another giveaway.
In
So
April.
Be ready for that.
That's right.
All right.
All right. Love you all. See you on the next video side.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye now.